Alright, welcome to another East Van drone. We are at a place called Crestwood Park in Coquitlam. It's right on the Coquitlam Port Moody border, and if you know this area, you'll know there's a very steep hill down into Port Moody from here. So I thought it would be a good vantage point to take some views over from the south side of Port Moody, looking northwards towards the mountains, etc. And we've got some pretty interesting views for you, so check it out. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Make sure you like the video and say hello, make a comment if you see fit to do so. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.